Hello guys, Corvette cleanup day today, and I've got a little surprise to show you here in a few minutes. Actually, two surprises, but you gotta watch at least halfway through this video to see what the surprises are. So anyway, just clean up the Corvette. Gotta clean it up and get ready for some stuff I'm doing, which you'll understand in a few minutes. Let's get to the video. Yeah, I wanted to show you something. I haven't washed it yet. I just gave it a quick rinse. But look at the water beading on this thing. Now this is Avalon King armor shield on top of clear bra done by St. Louis Auto Detail Expel, and it's 100% covered. Everything's covered from these little fins to the spoiler to the bottom. Everything. The only thing that's kind of a bummer, you can see a little bit of the edge there. The only thing that's kind of a bummer is when the bra was put on, clear bra was put on, it was done when the old wing was on it, and the new wing is smaller, if you can see that. So that kind of sucks. But other than that, it's nice having a clear bra. But we'll get to washing it up and show you what it looks like after. Show you guys a little something here. I am going to, everybody complains about the back of these getting all wet, but if anybody's ever had a rear engine car, almost all of them have vents like this. So those who are new to Corvettes with the new rear end may not understand that almost all these cars at this level have, especially rear engine, have this water problem. So I am going to use my Master Blaster, which is an old one. The sticker's even gone off of it, but anyway, I'm not going to touch it with a towel. I'll show you the results. Okay guys, it's getting windy out here. It's about to rain, so I got to hurry this up. But that is without a towel anywhere on this car. Now mind you, I can see it in there, but let's make it better. I had to get some water drops on this so it didn't come out as blue dry, but the back window is pretty bad. You can probably see the dry spots there. We don't have terribly hard water in St. Louis, but that is not a towel literally anywhere on this car yet. I just used the garden steel blower and this Master Blaster that's like 7 or 8 years old that a buddy of mine, Mike, got me when we were riding motorcycles. But there's not been a towel touch this car yet. And as you can see, it's pretty damn dry and clean. So got obviously some things to touch up, which we do with a towel. But anyway, like I say, people complain about all the joints and cracks and everything in these cars. And if you've got the right tools, which aren't too terribly expensive, it makes life easy. Like I said, I haven't touched this with a towel. I'll use some quick detailer or ceramic spray on it, and looks good. Okay guys, I told you I had a couple surprises. Here is number one. We have a set of Forge Line Flow Form F01s. So this is pretty cool. So I got these, believe it or not, through Summit Racing. I was sitting here looking for wheels, looking for wheels, and looking for wheels. And I kind of settled on something, but this is what we got. I love the shape of these. So many of these have a concave, I'll show you on this Mercedes. See the wheel on that? And it is a son of a buck to keep these things clean. Love the looks of the wheels, but man, when they are dirty, they are dirty. So that was part of the factor. The other big factor is this is called anthracite gray, and I'll put it up next to the car here in a minute, but next to all the carbon fiber on this thing, they are gonna look fabulous. And this is ceramic matrix gray, so the gray family will look better than, which is black, you know, gray family. But anyway, I've never liked these wheels, as you may recall from our first video, but I am really, 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 really excited. So the same size as factory, but bigger offsets. And I'm going to run these tires until they run dead, or maybe I won't put them on, which you'll hear about here shortly. But that's the rear, and I'll pull open the front. So we'll get the front open for you guys here. I haven't seen these either. I did open the backs a couple hours ago because I couldn't take it any longer. you are seeing them with me. Those of you who don't know Forge Line, I got into Forge Lines. I think they were representing Corvette back in the day. But that is the front. And I'll pull the back open here again so you can see it. And that is the back. Obviously the back's a little deeper dish, wider wheel, 11s versus, what are these? 9.5, I think. Yep, 9.5s. And these ones are 20 by 11. So I'm going to put these up next to the car here so you can see it. So there's the new anthracite wheel for the back. See the style there. And there's the stock black, I forget what they call a finish on those, but anyway, you will get to see them on sometime this week, guys. Now for surprise number 2. We've got the 3LT interior with all the carbon around the dash, around the switches over there. And the lighted Stingray door sills, which are kind of cool. So guys, the other surprise, I am going to put this car up for sale. If you're interested, you can email me at tonybosworth08@gmail.com. A couple things about the car. I've got about 1,100 miles on it. I got it December 22nd. You have to watch one of my other videos to hear the story about it, but I got it from somebody who had actually passed away. But the car's got literally every single option. It's got the lighted door sills with the Stingray on the door sill. It's got carbon roof, carbon side skirts, carbon front spoiler, high wing. It's got the black wheels. They're not the Trident wheels. Actually, I thought they were, but they're not. I will sell the new Forge Line FO1s in anthracite that I just showed you the pictures of. With the car, there'll be another $2,300, which is what I paid for them. Or you can go order them yourself if you don't like these ones. I'm going to ask $120,000 for the car, and I am not very flexible. If I don't sell it, I don't sell it. I do have another one coming in here, probably about 2 or 3 weeks. We're at 3,000 status. We've been at 3,000 status since March 23rd, so I'm expecting to get to 3,300 and then 36 and 3,800 probably within 2 or 3 weeks. So hopefully we'll get a build date this week. Usually check it on Thursdays. I did not check it this past Thursday. I just got too busy and forgot. But anyway, I do have another one coming. I'm going to sell that one as well. Everybody's kind of anticipating that the Z06 is going to get here. So I'm going to unload these two and make a little money on them while I can, if I can. If I can't, my wife and I have typically had matching Corvettes, and I don't have a problem having matching Corvettes. So this one is, again, fully loaded. The only thing that is not on the car is there's no stripes, and it did not get the Trident wheels. But other than that, it's got every other factory option. It's got the 3D floor mats, it's 3LT, performance package, Z51, mag ride, appearance package on the motor, carbon interior, carbon exterior, front end lift. Can't think of anything else off the top of my head, but it's basically got everything. So if you're interested, again, please email me. $120,000. If you want the wheels, it'll be $122,300. When the other one gets here, I am going to literally pick it up in my race car trailer and bring it in the garage and sell it with whatever is delivery miles on it from the factory. And that one is white with black interior. If you just saw in the video, this is white with red interior. But let me know if you're interested. I'm going to post it up on, it's raining tonight, so I couldn't get out and get some pictures of it after I washed it. But the other one is black with black interior with white exterior. And I did get the Trident wheels on that one. and the only thing I didn't get on the other one was the carbon interior and the carbon exterior. I kind of thought the carbon was getting a little fatty. Plus, there's not that much that's carbon on the interior of these, so I didn't think it was worth the money for the carbon interior. Plus, when the aluminum stuff looks so good anyway. But anyway, let me know if you're interested. Hope you enjoyed the video, and recap a couple things. I got the Forge Line F01s from Summit Racing, and very, very happy with them. I just decided, I ordered them Tuesday. They said 3 to 4 weeks, and I figured if I didn't put them on this car, I'd put them on the other car. But also, I used Avalon King Armor Shield 9 on that car, on top of the clear bra. The car's 100% clear bra, except for around the rear stanchions for the rear spoiler. So there's a $6,000, $6,500 clear bra system on the car. It's all ceramic coated. I've got the wheels as an option if you're interested. But again, that'll be another $2,300. But let me know if you have any interest in the car. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Next one's going to be about the GTO. I did work on that this weekend. Got a lot done. And we're going to put the motor in on Tuesday. So I hope you're all well. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification so you know when we post another video. Take care.